Many people use their JonoKnife for years unsharpened and remain very happy with its performance. If, however, you cut really tough crusts frequently or use your JonoKnife professionally, you can restore the blade to a near new condition with an AnySharp sharpener. The AnySharp works on most straight edge blades, on some serrated blades, and magnificently on a JonoKnife blade. We have partnered with AnySharp to produce a special JonoKnife Edition AnySharp finished in a water transfer ink printed wood effect to beautifully match our range of natural wood handles. Let's see how it works. Lock your AnySharp to your work surface with a firm push on the suction cup lever. This increases safety by helping to keep your hands out of the way of the sharpening action. Grip your JonoKnife by the handle, holding it parallel to the counter surface. Draw the full length of the blade through the sharpener's teeth in the direction indicated on top of the sharpener. Pull the knife nice and slowly to avoid the knife's teeth from hopping on the sharpener. Avoid exerting downward force, rely solely on the weight of the knife itself. In the initial sharpening strokes, the blade might move in a lurching or jolting motion. This is the trickiest part of sharpening a serrated blade. Be patient and tug gently on the knife to move the blade past any sticking points. After a number of strokes, anything between 10 and 20, the blade will pass through the sharpener in a smooth and consistent motion. At this point, you have completed the main sharpening step. Next follows an optional step to target the trailing tooth edges, only to be performed by those with a strong and steady grip. Turn your JonoKnife around and pull it through the sharpener 3 or 4 times in the same direction. Be sure to hold the bow in a way that angles your fingers away from the blade's teeth. Hold your supporting hand right up against the hand doing the pulling. Do not hold further along the bow, that hinders a smooth pulling action. And there you have it, your JonoKnife is now restored to a near new condition. If you don't already have one, why not treat yourself to a genuine JonoKnife wood effect AnySharp from our web store. Be sure to avoid cheaper generic versions found on popular internet marketplaces which don't work as well. Happy slicing, folks.